how to sell products online with ease. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital. In this video, I'll show you a simple way how to sell products online. I will show you how you can create your own online store in minutes without any coding skills and start selling your products, services, or subscriptions online. You will also learn how to customize your store, connect with various payment gateways, and manage your orders easily. What you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. And Jotform Store Builder is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that lets you create an online store with Jotform App Builder. With Jotform, you can sell anything online, from physical goods to digital products, from services to subscriptions, and from donations to memberships. You can also choose from over 30 supported payment gateways including PayPal, Stripe, Square, Venmo, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Whether you're a small business owner or an individual looking to monetize your tutorials, Jotform Store Builder provides all the tools you need to succeed in the online marketplace. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To sell products online with Jotform, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. There you will find various options for signing up. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email address. Select the option that works best for you and follow the steps to create a new account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Jotform account. To begin creating your e-commerce store, navigate to the left side of the top menu and click on the My Forms tab. This will open up a list of options. Look for My Apps among these options and click on it. By doing so, you will be directed to the My Apps page where you can view any existing apps, including online e-commerce stores, that you have already created. If you have not created any apps yet, this page will appear empty. To create a new e-commerce store, proceed to the top left side of the page and click on the Create App option. This action will take you to another page that presents you with 4 different options. Start from scratch, use template, clone existing app, and build store. As we are specifically interested in creating an online e-commerce store, we will select the Build Store option. Upon selecting this option, you will be directed to the Jotform Store Builder page, where you can begin building your app from scratch. With the Jotform Store Builder, you have the flexibility to customize your e-commerce store according to your preferences. You can add product listings, set prices, configure payment options, and design the store layout to create a visually appealing and user-friendly online shopping experience. We don't want to build a store from scratch. Instead, we want to use a template and customize it according to our preferences. To access these templates in Jotform Store Builder, navigate to the top left side of the page and click on the App Builder option. A drop-down menu will appear, and you need to select the Go Back to My Apps option. This action will redirect you to the My Apps page. On the My Apps page, locate the top left side of the page and click on the Create App button. This will take you to another page where you have 4 different options: Start from scratch, Use template, Clone existing app, and Store Builder. Since the goal is to use a pre-built template, click on the Use Template option. After clicking on the Use Template option, you will be directed to the Template Library. Here you will find various categories of templates on the left side of the page. If you have a specific template in mind, you can use the search bar to find it. In this case, we will search for Store using the search bar. Once you have searched for a specific template, you will see a list of available options. In this tutorial, we will choose the Clothing Store App template. To preview the template, click on the Preview button located under the chosen template. A new window will open, allowing you to see how the app looks. In the preview window, there will be a Use Template button at the top right side. Click on this button, and after a short loading period, you will be redirected to the chosen template. From here, you can customize the template according to your preferences and liking. Once the template is opened in Jotform Store Builder, customizing it to fit your needs is a straightforward process. Simply click on any section of the template, and the right sidebar will open specifically for that section, providing you with editing options. For example, if you want to change the store name, in this case ABC Store, click on the store name within the template. This will open the right sidebar. In the right sidebar, locate the App Title field, which contains the current store name, and replace it with the desired name for your store. In addition to customizing the existing sections of the store template, you can also add new elements to enhance the functionality and design. To add new elements, navigate to the left side of the Store Builder page and click on the Add Element option. This action will open a left sidebar that presents various options for adding elements to the template. These options include basic elements like forms, signed documents, headings, and widgets such as data grids, PDF embedders, fit text, and more. Since we are building an online store, let's focus on adding the product list element to the template. Scroll down the left sidebar until you find the product list option. Once you locate it, click on it and drag it to the desired location within the template. In this tutorial, we will add the product list beneath the basic section to showcase our products effectively. Once you have added the product list element to your store template, you can easily modify it to fit your needs. Simply click on the product you added, and then click on the Edit option that appears for that product. This action will open the right sidebar, where you can enter the product name, price, and description, and even add an image of the product from your computer. Any changes you make will be automatically saved, allowing you to customize the product details according to your preferences. In addition to adding elements like the product list, it is crucial to incorporate a payment method into your store. To do this in JotForm Store Builder, navigate to the right side of the Builder interface and click on the Store Properties option. Clicking on this option will open the right sidebar, which contains various options for customizing your store. Within the right sidebar, locate the Payment Method section. By default, it will show you Stripe as the payment method. If you wish to remove Stripe and add another payment method, click on the bin icon next to Stripe and it will be deleted from your store. To add a new payment integration, click on the Add Payment Integration option. A pop-up window will appear presenting you with different payment integration options such as Square, PayPal, Authorize.net, Stripe, Cash App Pay, Venmo, and more. Choose the payment integration that suits your needs and follow the prompts to set it up for your store. By adding a suitable payment method to your store, you can ensure that your customers can easily and securely make purchases. This step is vital for creating a seamless and reliable online shopping experience for your customers. Once you have customized your template in JotForm Store Builder, you can further enhance your app by modifying the app settings. To do this, click on the Settings tab. Within this tab, you have the option to modify various aspects such as app settings, app name and icon, and even the splash screen. By adjusting these settings, you can create a personalized and branded app that aligns with your business identity. After you have made the necessary adjustments to the app settings, proceed to the Publish tab. In this tab, you will find quick share links that allow you to easily distribute your app to others. You can copy the app link and share it with specific individuals or groups. Additionally, you have the option to download a QR code, which can be scanned to quickly access your app. If you want to preview your app from a user's perspective, simply click on the Open in New tab option. This will launch your store app in a new window, allowing you to view and test its functionality. Once your store app is open, users can add products to their cart by selecting the Add to Cart option. This enables them to conveniently gather items for purchase. If there are specific products that users wish to mark as favorites, they can click on the heart icon associated with each product. By navigating to the top right side of the app and clicking on the shopping cart icon, users can easily access both their cart and their favorite products, providing a streamlined shopping experience. By utilizing JotForm Store Builder, you have the ability to create an online store to sell your desired products. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features empower you to build a professional and functional store that meets your specific needs. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to sell products online with JotForm Store Builder. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.